Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanner for beginners? I tried 5 to find the real winner. Which OBD2 scanner actually works for beginners? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Everyone says theirs is easy to use. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver and which ones just look good on paper.
Product number 1, MotoPower MP69033. Let's start with the MotoPower MP69033. This bright yellow scanner costs just $15.98 and has moved over 7,000 units in the last month. Honestly, it caught my eye because it's one of the cheapest full-featured OBD2 readers out there. If you want a no-frills tool that reads engine codes fast without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports all OBD2 protocols since 1996, so whether you drive a Toyota Camry or a Ford F-150, it'll connect. The large backlit screen shows trouble codes clearly, and you can clear the check engine light with one button. Perfect if you just need to reset your CEL after fixing an issue. It also displays live data like RPM and coolant temp, which helps you spot problems before they get worse. Now, some people complained about the flimsy build quality. The plastic feels cheap and the buttons aren't the most responsive. Here's the thing though, for under $16, you're not buying a pro-grade tool. You're getting exactly what you pay for. Basic diagnostics that work reliably for casual use. This is perfect for you if you're a first-time car owner or just need to read codes occasionally. Skip this one if you plan on doing advanced diagnostics or want something that feels premium. For the
product number 2, VDiagTool VD10. Next up is the VDiagTool VD10 at $15.99. Basically the same price as the MotoPower, but with a few extra tricks. Over 5,000 sold last month tells me people are noticing its added features. If you want freeze frame data and IM readiness checks without spending more, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Freeze frame captures engine conditions the moment a fault occurs, so you can see what was happening when the code triggered, like speed, load, and temperature. That's huge for diagnosing intermittent issues. Plus, the IM readiness feature helps you pass emissions tests by showing which systems are ready for inspection. The screen is decently sized and easy to read even in daylight. Now, some users said the menu navigation is clunky. You have to press the same button multiple times to get where you need to go. Honestly, it's not a deal breaker, but it does slow you down if you're in a hurry. Still, for under $16, you're getting features usually found on pricier models. This is perfect for you if you live in a state with strict emissions testing or want to understand why a code popped up. Skip this one if you hate slow menus or only need.
Product number 3, VPeak OBD Check BLE. Alright, that was a solid budget option, but if you're tired of wires and want to use your phone, the VPeak OBD Check BLE at $31.98 is a game changer. With 4,000 plus sold recently, it's clear people love going wireless. If you want to view live data on your iPhone or Android while driving, this is the way to go. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It connects via Bluetooth Low Energy, so it won't drain your phone's battery. You can use apps like OBD Fusion or Car Scanner to see real-time graphs of engine performance, fuel trim, and even track your driving habits. It's also tiny, fits in your glove box, and works with nearly every car made after 1996. Now, some reviewers mentioned connection drops if you walk away from the car with your phone. That's true, Bluetooth range is limited, but honestly, you're not supposed to drive off anyway. As long as your phone stays in the car, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you're tech savvy and want detailed data without a big screen. Skip this one if you don't own a smartphone or hate.
Product number 4, BLCK 460T. Now, if the previous scanners felt too basic, the BLCK 460T at $184.99 is where things get serious. Over 1,000 sold shows there's demand for real diagnostic power. If you're into DIY repairs or want to reset ABS, airbags, or even do throttle coding, this is your entry point into ECU level work. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers 12 reset services, including oil light, TPMS, EPB, DPF, and battery reset, plus ABS bleeding and live data streaming. It even auto-detects your VIN so you don't have to manually input it. The color screen is bright, and the interface is surprisingly intuitive for such a powerful tool. Now, some users said the learning curve is steep if you've never coded before, and honestly, that's fair. This isn't a plug-and-play toy, but if you're willing to watch a few tutorials, it unlocks capabilities most beginners dream of. This is perfect for you if you're serious about car maintenance or own multiple vehicles. Skip this one if you just want to clear a check engine light. It's expensive, but justified for advanced users.
Product number 5. Blue Sun YM319. Finally, the Blue Sun YM319 at $17.99. Another budget hero with over 1,000 sold. What sets it apart? It includes a built-in battery tester and cloud printing, which sounds fancy but actually helps you share reports with mechanics. If you want extra diagnostic info without paying extra, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The battery test checks voltage and cranking health, super useful before winter hits. Cloud printing lets you email or print diagnostic reports directly from your phone using their app. It also shows DTC lookup definitions on screen, so you don't have to Google every code. Now, some people complained the app feels outdated and occasionally crashes. That's annoying, but the core scanner still works fine offline. Just don't rely solely on the app for critical info. This is perfect for you if you want battery insights and... So which one should you get? If you're broke but need basics, MotoPower or Blue Sun will do. Want phone integration? Go VPeak. Need emissions help? Diagnostics your guy. And if you're ready to level up to coding and resets, BLCKT 460T is the real deal. Each serves a different need. Pick based on how deep you want to go.